eMAM Cloud puts you in control. Produce, collaborate, and archive, all in the cloud directly from the Amazon AWS Marketplace. Rapidly upload media and create proxies instantly. Work seamlessly from the Adobe apps with Premiere, After Effects, Photoshop, InDesign, and Illustrator panels. Use original or mezzanine versions to edit. Set up our intuitive web interface to your preferences. Work with designers and editors from any connected device. Review and comment on projects. Safely share links to others. Secure media permanently in the cloud. Organize media and control access. Quickly find and browse AI-tagged media. Download media as needed. eMAM Cloud is protected by Amazon AWS security protocols and is available everywhere. Click and go with cloud services or control your AWS setup with eMAM Cloud Platform. Choose a package to archive media or collaboratively produce. Reach out to us or our partners to customize your system. Integrate with scores of other technologies. Run a hybrid system with local or other cloud parts. With eMAM Cloud and Amazon AWS, the cloud is not the limit.